Okay, so how to dominate in your niche using SEO by Hardy Unfiltered. Napindot X natin. So, you may ask, what the fuck is an SEO? Okay, ano ba yung SEO na yan? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. What this does is that it improves the visibility of your videos by using SEO titles, descriptions, and tags. This is the process of how I make them. We'll get into that later. But for now, if we actually go to Google, incognito para walang bias, and type, di ba pwede? Chocolate. I mean, chocolate cookie for sale. Chocolate cookie for sale. Ayan. Notice how nag-a-appear sila. Like, when you search for something, merong mga websites na nag-a-appear as website number 1, number 2, number 3, or mas better silang tawagin na top 1, top 2, and top 3. So, you see how most likely, kapag nagsasearch yung tao ng isang bagay, ang pipindutin niya is yung pinakauna. Notice how people do that. That's the magic of SEO. Dahil sa SEO, nasa top 1 tong ano na to. Bale, siya yung nasa pinakataas-taasan. Siya yung unang makikita ng mga tao dahil sa SEO. Now, by applying the very same concept to our videos, if we actually go to YouTube here, YouTube. Then let's say we'll search top 3 funniest horror game moments. Guess what? Video ko. Ito, gaya-gaya yan. Video ko. Gaya-gaya din yan. Gaya-gaya. Video ko. Notice how SEO dominated my niche. Because dahil sa SEO yan, guys, napaka-powerful, di ba? Like, kapag ngayon isa-search na ng tao to, most likely, pipindutin niya yung videos ko. Kasi nga, because of SEO, the way people act, yung pinaka-first yung pipiliin nila. That's literally the essence of SEO right there. Pretty powerful, if you ask me. Ngayon, why do we use search engine optimization? Unang-una, maximum views. Like sa dinalain ko kanina, we do SEO for maximum amount of views because the more optimized the video, the more chance na yung video mo is magiging number 1 once na sinerch yung niche mo. So, for example, ayan nga, once na sinerch ko yung niche ko, guess what? Number 1, number 2, number 3, top 1, top 2, top 3, top 4, top 5, top 6. Denominate ko yung niche ko dahil sa SEO. What a fucking cheat code. Anyways, maximum subscribers. Through SEO, we can make a lot of video. We can make our video pop off a lot. And the more audience sees our content, the more they are tends to subscribe. So, if gusto talaga ng mga tao yung niche na to, and like, nakikita nila yung mga uploads ko, top 3 funniest horror game moments. Oy, kay Brainrot Rankings to ah. Top 3 funniest horror game moments. Kay Brainrot Rankings din yan. Hala, ang dami naman pinupost ni Brainrot Rankings na ganito. Alam mo, gustong gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Magsusubscribe na ako sa kanya. Ganun, tsaka OP, guys. Ayun yung ano. So, last, maximum revenue. Okay. More views and engagement is equal to more money. So, if you actually look in my profile dito, almost 80k na siya. And as of April 1 pa lang yan ano na ngayon? April 4 na. April 1 earnings ko pa lang yung napaprocess. So, I think I've already hit 6 digits in less than a week. That's SEO for you. That's search engine optimization for you. Anyways,